Hi everyone, this is Dan from Alva Beauty. Very excited to be here with you today to introduce our new Tempo bed. The Tempo really hits the mark with Alva's objective to bring you products that are both affordable and beautiful. The first things that you'll note about this bed are the very sleek design, the minimalist design with the rounded lines, the covered articulated foot area. This is a bed that'll look beautiful in any spa, office, clinical environment. The second thing that you'll notice about this bed is the columnar base. Most of our beds have a double hinged mechanism on the base, so that as the bed raises and lowers, it actually moves slightly forward or slightly backward depending on how you have it set up. This bed will move straight up and straight down, and the advantage to that is that it will work well in a confined space. So if you have a small operatory, a small corner in your clinic, or you're going to set up the bed so that it's close to a door that needs to open and close, you know that the bed will never move anywhere outside of its footprint when you set it up. This bed is also available with a feature that is, or comes with a feature I should say, that is something you find in our more high-end beds, and that is controls built right into the side and into the back of the bed for operating the three motor functions: up, down, backrest, and the Trendelenburg tilt. The bed's also available with a hand remote and a foot remote for those of you that prefer that type of operation. The bed comes with contoured areas of the foam that are designed for comfort for your patients for extended treatment periods. If you're doing a treatment that's going to be 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or even 60 minutes in some case, your patients are really going to appreciate this bed. The seat area here is contoured, and what that does is it keeps your patients from sliding on the bed when the backrest moves up and down, and it holds them comfortably in a position and supports them. We couple that with about an extra inch of foam in the lumbar area, so for any of your patients with any type of lower back problems, they're going to be well supported in the lumbar area and kept very comfortable over time. We have a contoured back that leads to a head area that is slightly extended from the backrest, holding your head and your spine into a completely straight position when you're sitting in a more upright position, or even when you're laying down. It gives you that maximum support. The Trendelenburg tilt is something that I want to talk about on this bed. Most of our beds and most of the facial treatment beds you'll find on the market tilt to about 10 to 12 degrees. So it's a slightly reclined position. The Trendelenburg tilt on this bed will allow you to go almost to 20 degrees. So you can really get the head down below the feet and get good blood flow going to the head area for your facial treatments. And for climbing into and out of the chair, as with the design of all of our other chairs, you have armrests that will fold back out of the way and allow easy ingress and egress out of the chair. The armrests are very, very solid. They can hold a lot of weight. And so from a standpoint of how you move your patients in the chair as you're going through your treatment plan, I think this chair has a lot of advantages. The backrest and the footrest are unique on this bed in that the functions are combined, so that as you move the backrest up, the footrest moves down simultaneously. That's an advantage for you in terms of multifunction when you're trying to get the patient quickly to a place when they're ready to exit the bed, or when they get into the bed and you want to get them into position. But an added advantage to that is that when you lay the bed completely flat, we've built into this bed the capability to manually raise the foot area. So with a pillow under the lower part of the leg for support, without tilting the bed, you can have your patients in a position where their legs are slightly raised. And there might be some times that you want to get a patient into that position. The bed is designed to our specifications with the same high quality that all of our Alva beds are. It's a beautiful automotive grade polyurethane fabric, a pleather, which will offer you many years of great wear and life. High density memory foam, which resists a compression set and will return continuously to its original position. The frame of the bed that you really don't get to see often, and you probably don't think about, is something we're very proud of. It is made out of a powder-coated aluminum with really nice welds on it. In fact, we use robotics in this factory now to make sure that we get the consistency and quality of production. And finally, the electrical actuators, the motors as some call them, that articulate the bed, are a Leineck motor, which is out of Denmark. It's one of the highest quality, longest lasting motors that's available in the market. The bed's available in the white color that you see. It's also available in a black color in case if that matches your decoration scheme a little bit better. We can offer custom colors for those of you that might order in quantities of 5 or more with a little bit of added lead time. Our phone number and our website are down in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, and we'd love to have you give us a call if we can help you out with the new Tempo bed or any of our other facial treatment beds or products. The Alva customer relations team is on standby and ready to take your call. Thank you very much, and we appreciate you watching the video.